I'm covering the solar panel, which they stop, and when I don't cover them, yes, you may have to give this turning push to where it needs to go. They turn opposite ways. It looks like they're just shaking, but they're going in circles. And the solar panel, when sunlight hits it, you can't use a flashlight or anything for it. It has to be sunlight. And the propellers start up when there's wires in the back that are connected to the solar panel. Go all the way back to this metal, which sends it into this, which starts these. Just messed that up. And that's it.